Very good morning to all. My name is Amrendra Kumar. I have been in this profession of teaching since 6 years. I love to explore the knowledge among those who are willing to know more and more. So today we are here with a very new topic, very new concept of cell. So today we will learn what is a cell, what is the definition of cell, what are the components of cell, what are the kinds of cells. So through these pictures we are going to show you that what is the work of these all organelles that presents inside the cells. What are the components, what are these components, and what is the work of these components, how does it work. So all these things we are going to tell you in this video. So starting from the very basic, what is the definition of cell? According to the definition, cell is a basic unit of life and it was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Now, what is the meaning of basic unit of life? From our top to the bottom, from our hair to the toe, each and everything comprises of cell. Millions and trillions of cells comprises to form a tissue. Millions and trillions of tissues comprises to form an organs. And multiple organs will comprises to form the whole body. So that is the reason a cell is called a basic unit of life. Cell is of two types. The first one is unicellular and the second one is multicellular. Come to the unicellular. Unicellular cell consists of single type of cells and the examples are amoeba, hydra and paramecium. These organisms are unicellular. And multicellular cell consist of multiple cells. These are animals and plants like tiger, humans, dogs and etc. and many kinds of plants. They are coming inside multicellular cell. So today we are going to discuss about animal cell. As we know that multiple cellular consist of two type of cells, the animal cell and the plant cell. We are going to cover the animal cell here. This is the figure of an animal cell and these are the basic components of cell. So starting from the very basic of plasma membrane. Can you see there is a layer, there is an outer layer which gives a shape and a structure to the cell. Now what is the work of this layer? It is basically a semi-permeable membrane which allows some basic components like CO2, oxygen and water molecule. And there is a process which is known as a diffusion will help to enter and exit all these components from cell. And what is the diffusion process? So diffusion is the process through which lower concentrated element moves to the higher concentrated element. And with the diffusion process, this carbon dioxide, oxygen and water molecules comes and getting exit from this plasma membrane. Now come to the next portion, that is the nucleus, which is basically known as the brain of the cell. It contains some chromatin materials which is known as a chromosome. As you can see in the figure, there is a thread kinds of structure. So these thread kinds of structure are basically chromosome. Chromosome is made of DNA and proteins. What is DNA? DNA full form is deribonucleic acid. And it is used and it is helped to determine the genes inside any humans. Any types of traits and any types of quality will also be determined with the help of this DNA. Now come to the next portion, that is a Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is basically working as a transportation medium inside the cell. Any kinds of things that generated or that synthesized inside the cell, it get transported with the help of Golgi apparatus. Now if you think about protein, if protein is synthesized inside it, then it will be transported with the help of Golgi apparatus. It will decide where it need to be transported. Now come to the next portion, that is a endoplasmic reticulum. It is also known as a protein factory of the cell because these small structures that you can see present in the endoplasmic reticulum, these are known as a ribosome. And this ribosome is basically responsible to synthesize the protein inside endoplasmic reticulum. Now come to the next portion, which is a lysosome. Lysosome is also a basic part of a cell, and it is working like a suicidal bag. Why it is known as a suicidal bag? Because any cell that get damaged and that is not useful for our body, it will be digested with the help of the enzymes that get exit inside the cell. So if any cell that is damaged inside our body, it will be digested with the help of lysosome enzymes. Now come to the very important topic, which is known as a mitochondria. Now what is mitochondria? As we know that mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell. Any kinds of energy that generated inside the cell, it will be generated with the help of mitochondria, and it will be measured in form of ATP, which is known as a adenosine triphosphate. So it is the basic unit to measure the energy. Now come to the last portion, which is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a liquid that presents inside the cell, and it consists of 80% of water, plasma, and some important materials which is useful for our cell. Thank you for watching our videos. I think you all have enjoyed the video. Thank you.